In this learning unit, we looked at the term cost. There are different types of cost. For instance, opportunity cost, which is the value of the best alternative, or external cost, also called negative externalities. This is when we have this is a cost carried by a third party, someone else, and this cost is not included in the market price of the product. It's not necessarily money. It can also be damages, like when a firm damages the environment another person lives in. Due to the cost involved in producing goods and services, a positive sloping supply curve is formed. There are different types of supply curves, like a relatively steep supply curve, which is called a relatively inelastic curve, or a relatively flat curve, which is called a relatively elastic supply curve. The impact that a company would experience from environmental policies would depend on the elasticity of their supply curve. The equimarginal principle also showed that if we want to minimize cost, we have to equalize marginal cost amongst factories. We also looked at general issues of cost to the cost benefits analysis and the cost of single facilities. Remember to discuss the questions at the end of your learning unit with your e-tutor.